Well, hi there, everybody. Good morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here on this Thursday morning. A wind chill advisory in effect until noon today for the light blue shaded counties, which is the majority of us. There is a wind chill warning to the north and northwest, where the coldest wind chill values have been overnight. Still seeing wind chill values of 15 to 30 below across the area this morning. It's going to be a cold start. The sky's clearing up out there to start things off. The flurries are scooting to the southeast. We did pick up some heavy snow in the extreme southern and western parts of the Local 4 viewing area, but most of us did miss out on this snow event. Things are going to start off with some sun, and then we'll see increasing clouds later today with a little bit of snow developing in western Nebraska. Very quick moving weak disturbance out there, so quickly maybe dumping an inch or two of snow in the western part of the state, but as it pushes east into some drier air, it diminishes down to just flurries at best. So that's about all I'd expect here this evening in the Tri-Cities area. Later in the night, skies will clear up. Winds do begin to pick up out of the south tomorrow morning, and that's going to actually help to keep temperatures balanced and not drop off much. But it's going to feel pretty cold again tomorrow morning as those winds increase. And in fact, those winds are going to be fairly strong tomorrow. And while it does help warm things up a little bit, that and mostly sunny skies, it's still going to be a chilly day, and it's going to feel pretty cold when you factor in those blustery southerly winds. And in fact, the winds stay a little bit breezy overnight, Friday night into Saturday morning, which again keeps temperatures elevated, but still has it feeling kind of chilly out there during the overnight hours. But after that, we're going to start to see some nicer weather return Saturday. Nice little warm up on the way heading into the weekend. Coming out of the weekend, maybe a little bit of a dip with a brief shot of cooler air coming back into play. So additional snowfall on top of what we already saw. And again, we saw some places 5 to 10 inches of snow in far western and far southern parts of the Local 4 viewing area. 5 to 10 inches of snow, but most of us missed out. Well, additional snow from this round that comes later today, maybe an inch or two out west in the Sandhills. Again, a dusting at best in central Nebraska. I just don't think we'll see much out of this one here for later today and into this evening. Well, it's all about temperatures the next couple of days, and we may be lucky to get to 11 here. I think most of us will be stuck in the upper single digits, maybe a couple of lower teens today. We drop back to the single digits tonight, maybe a little below zero in the northeast, but it's going to feel much colder with blustery winds out there. Tomorrow, we're going to see warmer temperatures, yes, but still chilly out there with highs in the 20s. Maybe a few 30s out west, and then into the panhandle, maybe above 40 degrees there. But of course, still pretty chilly for this time of the year. And factoring in those winds, those wind chill values will be much colder than that. Tomorrow night, temperatures don't get terribly cold. We don't drop off a lot. Teens for overnight lows, maybe even some 20s and 30, near 30 off to the northwest as those winds are increasing. That warmer air is budging in. And look at Saturday. Looking pretty good for your Saturday. Highs into the mid to upper 40s, maybe near 50 in spots. Winds will increase later in the day and into Saturday night as a cold front sinks southward. That's going to cool us off for the second half of the weekend, as we'll show you here in just a little bit. So again, improving conditions the next couple of days. It's very cold today, still pretty chilly out there and blustery for tomorrow. Much better by Saturday. Around to some flurries this evening in the Tri-Cities area, but I wouldn't expect much more than what we have on the ground right now. Looking ahead past Saturday, Sunday, that brief little cool down, but plenty of sunshine. Sunday doesn't look too bad out there. That's our average high in the mid-30s. And then we're warming right back up Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Plenty of sunshine. Not too much wind out there, and it should stay on the dry side for the most part. In fact, long range, we're going to see a nice mild stretch of weather next week. We do cool things back a little bit by the end of next week. A little shot of cooler air, but it does not look terribly cold. In fact, let's look at this long-range temperature trends. Again, we're in the deep freeze right now. It gets a little better tomorrow, but it gets much better on Saturday right there. Sunday, again, a glancing shot of colder air, but the really cold stuff is going to stay to our north and to our northeast. So we're not getting a big Arctic blast this time with the next shot of colder air. Sunday is cool. It starts to warm up on Monday. Tuesday, Wednesday looking pretty good. And then at the end of next week, again, we might cool things back a little bit there on Friday, but not cold. The cold air staying to our northeast, and then Saturday into Sunday, we may actually start to warm it up a little bit more. But again, we're just getting these glancing shots of cool air, but overall, we're going to be looking towards a milder stretch of weather as we look down the road for next week. So not much to complain about, but like I said, plenty of complaints about today. It's going to be very, very cold, especially this morning. Bundle up as you step outside. If you're going to be spending any time outside today, you do need to be covered up because of those dangerously cold wind chills, especially during the morning hours. I want to thank you all for watching on this Thursday morning. I'll see you all again for a Friday morning forecast. Until then, take care. God bless. Bye.